Hey everyone and welcome back to our new video. In today's video, I will simply guide you through the steps on how to use an Amazon gift card. It's very easy and simple. There are two ways you can do this. First, by redeeming the gift card. So, open Amazon's app. Now click on Amazon Pay option. Now either click on gift cards or you can just scroll down and then click on add a gift card. After this, simply enter your gift card code and then add it. Second way you can use it is while buying something. Wait, let me show you. Now select any product, like I will buy this smartwatch. Click on buy. Now on payment page, scroll down a bit. You will see the add gift card option. Click on it and then enter the gift card code, and after that apply. Voila! The gift card will be applied to your purchase. So this is how you can use an Amazon gift card. That's all for now. Thanks for watching this tutorial and we will see you in our next video.